So the last few months have been pretty hectic. In a good way though, that's for sure. In June we launched the Hardline Heat Tour. And since then, we've been super busy, hitting hard trails all over the place. From the Rubicon, to Calico, to Utah and beyond. It's been great, but it's been pulling focus from other parts of the channel, such as Patreon. Now Patreon, if you guys aren't familiar, is a subscription service where you can receive more access and content from Dirtnation. It's a great way to support what we're doing here. That being said, it's been some time since we've had an opportunity to host a run with the people on Patreon. And with a free weekend away from the Hardlines tour, I wanted to do just that. So watch as we head out to Big Bear to rediscover an absolute gem of a trail that we haven't ran in about 4 years. Enjoy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today we are taking a break from the Hardline Heat Tour because we're about halfway through our tour for the summer where we're hitting nothing but hard trails, but once in a while it's nice to take a little bit of a breather. So today we are taking ourselves a breather. We're out in Big Bear this weekend and we are out actually with some Patreon subscribers. So we have a bunch of fine people chilling all back here. We'll walk around, we'll show you who's here, who's not here, and all that fun stuff. But the trail that we're doing today out in Big Bear is called Butler Peak. Now Butler Peak, I'll link the video below. This was actually one of the first trails that we ran a little bit before Dirtnation was like officially started. Pretty cool trail. It's a fire trail, mostly scenic, and then you head up and then there's a pretty cool spot at the top to hang out and see some cool stuff. I'm not going to spoil it, but you guys watch the video, enjoy, do all that stuff, and then we'll kind of go from there. Now, let me get this out of the way. I'll get ahead of this. Shut up, Bob. Shut the hell up, Bob. So today, I'm actually, you see that Gladiator right there? I'm driving that Gladiator. So nothing wrong with my trucks. They're all broken as usual, but they're all good. But I had an opportunity to drive this fine Gladiator. So we're driving a Gladiator today. So we're going to turn me into a Jeeper, right, Bob?
Absolutely.
Yeah, Bob.
Going back.
Bob said I have to wave at everybody. I haven't been waving, so I'm kind of screwed. So
yeah, he's being the typical Toyota guy.
Yep, I'm kind of
unfriendly.
Yep. So here's my wave to all you Jeepers. What's up? How you guys doing today?
Wrong wave. There you go.
Let's do the walkarounds. We'll check in with the squad, and then we're gonna get all cinematic and show you guys all that fun stuff. So let's see. Let's do the walk around.
You got a long walk.
I know. Well, I got to do the count. You know, if it's like a takeover, honestly. We got power wagons. Mr. Jason's here. You guys washed your rigs. They're all clean. Look at that.
I washed it yesterday.
Not this one. Nice. It looks clean. Well, that's why you buy a white rig. Yeah, they look clean. We got nice Jeeps on. Nice Jeeps. Let's see what else we got going on here. What's up, fellas? Hey. So look, this dog popped out of my dog. You guys make the connection yourselves. Hey, Mr. Forlow, what's up? What's up? Look, we got our designated recovery vehicle for the day. Oh boy, the line keeps going. Does it ever end? Mister. Yeah. That's right. The Hardline Heat Tour. No, this is the Softlines Cold Tour. Oh my goodness, it's a Jeep thing. So I'm not supposed to wave at this guy. Don't wave at him. Got it. There's a couple bikers that we're passing, so just be careful and all that. Quite the bump. So initial thoughts on the Jeep. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's tight. It's pretty tight right there, but you know, it's a Jeep. It's got a cool display. You know, everything's all tight and tactical. You know, we might take off the top today. Oh yeah, that's a bathroom. So there's the, you know, the Butler Peak. That's the peak up there. See that? That's the high point. So the parking situation at Butler Peak is tight. We have 15 rigs and we should be able to fit everybody, but we're gonna have to just, you know, get nice and tight, like a concert type of deal. Think Hollywood, you'll have the right idea. So we got it made. We're gonna keep it moving. We're not on the hardline tour, but today we're gonna do some hard lines right here. Trail. Let's hit it.
In the water though today.
I'm already tired. There's a bug on the inside of my glasses. Out of there. Listen to the breathing. Heavy breathing noises. All right, after that fairly short hike, you get to a set of steep stairs that will take you to the top of the lookout. Now, at 8,500 feet, this is one of the highest points on the mountain, which makes sense. It's designated as a fire lookout. Most of the time, there is a volunteer here keeping an eye on the area. This lookout is pretty cool because there's a bathroom, a bed, a stove, everything a volunteer would need to stay for a night or two. Now, if the volunteer is there, then it is open to the public. Only 5 people are allowed on the lookout at a single time. Kids are allowed, but I would absolutely take some extra precautions with those stairs and just the lookout in general. Dogs are allowed on the trail, but not allowed on the lookout itself. Now, a couple other things to mention. This lookout is a great destination among many in the Big Bear area, but we need to remember that the Forest Service allowing us to have access to this area should be considered a privilege and something we take seriously. Obviously, follow the rules of the area. Make sure not to leave trash in the area, have good trail etiquette, and be mindful of other groups coming and going. This trail does not favor large groups. We brought 15, and I'm going to be honest, it was a few too many. Luckily, we're pretty experienced with hosting large groups, and we didn't run into any issues, but it's something to learn from. Keep it under 10, and you guys should be solid. Anyways, I said all that to say this. Butler Peak is one of the hidden gems of Big Bear. Come out and enjoy it, but do it respectfully so places like these remain open. All right, we are finished at Butler's Peak. We're going to continue down the trail, and then we're going to get into some other shenanigans and go from there. All right, now that all the tri-tip's gone, you guys get to see.
We good? We still got some?
A little bit. So Jason makes a tri-tip, and I'll put these in there too. Then we got over here. Chrissy's cooking up them bacon wrap hot dogs. Now I'll say, part of the Hardline Heat Tour, halfway through Calico, I didn't record it, but we had bacon wrap hot dogs, and they were, oh, they hit the spot.
We were playing against the Red Sox, the ones we had going for All-Stars. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So we were playing against them, and they have an All-Star player, and he's a travel ball player too. Well, here's the thing.
All right, so now that we've gotten ourselves absolutely stuffed with tri-tip sandwiches and bacon wrap hot dogs, I mean, look, I'm having a fucking food baby right now. Good times, but we're ended up here off Palik Canyon Road, and that is a wrap on today's Patreon run in Big Bear. Got to say, big shout out to everybody that made it out. It was a lot of fun. You know, we ran a simpler trail, you know, some more scenic stuff and sightseeing, a little break from the Hardline Heat Tour, so that was a real good time. Now, speaking of the Hardline Heat Tour, make sure to check out, we got 3 more events on the calendar. By the time this video comes out, Latino Wash might already be in progress, but we also got Bald Mountain, and then we have the Ironman Challenge with info on those coming up very, very soon. But we are all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You also listen for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies. DirtnationOffroad, gmail.com. Until next time, thank you guys. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Why is it so zoomed in? What the fuck is going on? It wasn't zoomed down like. All right. right. Well, the hark, oh,